So yeah, as I told you, the fuel on his bike was empty, so nice one. I hope I have enough battery on the can. There's HP4, okay, it's 64. I caught up to him. Now the one dude behind me was really annoyed that I took so long. So yeah. Wow. Goofy. Now I'm still recording. I hope he's still recording. Now finally I hope it's recording both and on him for the navigation right now. And now one question I have. Do you rather like the camera position that he has or the camera position I have? I hope we are still recording on both, but I hope it does. I'm just so... I was just lost. But to be fair, a fuel tank lasting 250 kilometers, that's wild. That's really good. For reference, when I ride a little bit faster, I get maybe if I'm lucky 180, 170 if I ride fast, like if you ride in Germany with unlimited speed and so on. But now riding in road mode already it consumes a lot less, and now that he has a full tank, I believe for him it's a little bit better too. But please tell me, how do you like the view? Rather his one or mine? Now back to the M1000R. Each time I said this sentence, I didn't record. Okay. There's a lot of traffic, but the scenery looks nice. I'm a little bit concerned that his camera doesn't record or that mine soon loses battery, but if I don't say anything, just know the battery died on me. Because on the DJI Nano the battery isn't that great, so don't wonder when I disappear. So yeah, it looks real nice here, I have to say. Okay, it still records. I see on a full tank it still says 270 kilometers on his. Maybe that's because of the aerodynamics, because from the motor, the power and that stuff, we're similar. So the only difference in fueling or in a tank's range either is the driving style or the aerodynamics, or both. But he has around 20 kilometers more than I do of range. I only have 250, but as I said, when I'm riding fast, oh, very nice. Whoa, you know, if we would swim right now, oh, so nice. With 27 degrees, another BMW. Guys, would you like me to do some motovlogs in German too, or Italian? Well, I guess English is the language that all the people speak, so probably I will remain with English. So, yeah, imagine living there on that mountain on the lake. Now, I don't know what the plan for now is, but wow, Lago di Aldonato, I guess. Very beautiful. I'm really scared that the cams aren't recording, but yeah, I should just enjoy the ride. Who cares if I record or not? Well, maybe you do because you don't see the nice scenery, but if you don't know what scenery you missed, you cannot be upset about it, I guess. Oh, so slow. By the way, the guy here with the double R, guess what age he is? And if I tell you, you probably won't believe me. Beautiful. I will blend in the video, but his M1000R has the invisible clutch thing. Here's 50. Why is here 50? 50 on such a road is insane. Now we're talking. road. Some nice bikes. Ooh, an old R1. She got half her ass outside, but really nice here. And I guess he's the local here, so it's only normal that he knows the nice roads here, or he just wants to make some photos here. I don't know. You tell me what he does. Oh, nice. The Vespa scooter people just are a different breed. Here's an Akropovich on the Vespa. Goofy, but really nice here. Really nice. Oh, gelato would be nice now. That would really be nice. Are my things open? Yeah, but it's so fucking hot right now. And I need to piss a little bit. So yeah. But once more, if both filmed right now, I will upload 2, maybe 3 videos. One time the M1000R pure sound, one time the voiceover, or where now I'm talking the motovlog, and maybe a third video where pure sound of the M1000R. I don't know what he wants. So he wants to do some photos here. I'm sweating a lot right now. 25 degrees in a full black leather suit, so a white one would actually be better, like the front here. By the way, did I mention it already? He has his own YouTube channel, so please go ahead, subscribe to him. He has it in Italian, and yeah. By the way, for those who guessed his age, he's 60 years old, almost, I guess, or soon. Beautiful weather today. So how do you like these kind of videos? If you want, I could do similar videos with the Super Duke friend or so. Okay. Oh, bless me. It would be real nice if my right glove would be red and the other one would be blue. That would be a real nice thing. It would match the BMW colors a little. What do you think? Look, there's a parasailer too, actually. One a little bit higher and closer, and one a little bit further away. And you actually see the moon already. It's only 3 o'clock and you see the moon already. I trust him to make the decision for the photos and so on. But yeah, we'll go to the left. Alright, let's see where he wants to go. I believe the battery on my camera module will soon be out of energy. I need to stop soon so I can recharge it. And yeah. So there's a cyclist way and he's going onto the road. Nice cyclist. Well, it's not illegal, but the cyclist way is just half a meter to the right. Just go onto the cyclist way, please, people. You missed it. I need some shadow. I'm overheating. 27 degrees. Oh shit, it's hot. It's so hot. But a nice little side road, I guess. Oh, shadow. Where do we need to go? I don't get it. Oh, nice. A little bit of wind. Oh, there's someone on the do you say to these? Blackjack. But it's nice taking a little bit of wind. It's the second or third time we went here right now. Goofy. BYD makes some pretty good cars. He doesn't find the way. But it's beautiful